What's up, guys? It's your boys G&J Ham. Back today having a little mess around, checking out, showing you a few bikes here so you can check them out. We've got here at the moment, we've got this Triumph in. We've just done a respray on this front quarter panel there, and the other side, and the front mudguard. So before it was totally scuffed up. Yes, it didn't really look that good, but there we go. It's done now, in the sun, drying off. Literally just got finished spraying this morning. I'm sorry guys, my bad, I didn't catch it. But here's the finished result of it anyway. And that side as well. Show you a bit closer, it's a Triumph. cc, I think, or 1,000, one of the two. Yeah, this is the other side spray job, guys. And a bit closer.
Yeah, I haven't flat or polished it yet because I had that colour issue, didn't I? So
yeah,
I thought I'd fit them on this time before flat and polishing to make sure the colour was right. So it's got a few little denib bits.
Yeah.
Painted in my workshop, not in an oven. There's loads of bits in there, but
well, honestly, as a first glance, it looks freaking. And this mudguard, guys, look at that, like a mirror nearly. Absolutely spotless.
painted that in 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Flattered it, I didn't even prime it, I just flattered it, coloured it.
You see, even
chips coming through it everywhere. Managed to save the sticker as well. Painted it twice now, saved the sticker twice. So to mask it and cut around that.
Yeah, and look at that, guys, you'd never flipping know. Looks awesome. You see the colour match?
Yeah, it's much better this time.
Much.
Yeah, much better.
Yeah, it was damage. What round is it? This side the damage was?
Yeah, I think there was a little bit up here and a little bit here on both sides.
Yeah.
And then one of the tops on the top nose cone and this side I think had got it because this is it was this side. This was all damaged, scuffed there, and then scuffed all up there. This was the worst side. Yeah, it was pretty much all down through there, road rash all the way through there, up there and up there.
You'd never know, guys, looking at that. You never know.
Yeah, a few hours of work there.
All worth it standing back looking at it in the sun, guys, wouldn't you agree?
Yeah, I really like the colour. I'm going to keep the colour code. Yeah, really nice. It's got this nice, it's got a nice purple flop to it.
Yeah.
Probably doesn't do it.
Yeah, I was going to say, guys, the camera doesn't really show it justice, but it does go between blue and purple.
Yeah.
If you can see that. But no, hell of a job. Fair play.
Just squid, you know, Sam. Finish it off.
Stick it out your bum.
Here's your bottle and stuff.
What? You've got to believe it through. Just rubble that through, isn't it?
Now put an extra bit on it.
This will just be a quick review, guys. We're not going to waste too much time with this bike because it's not our usual bikes that we have on the channel, but again, it's still a bike worthy of putting on there. So
boards, mate. Fucking hell.
Definitely is a nice clean bike now. If you've had any of these guys, leave a comment, let us know what you think about them. And any more upgrades or any more bits we do to this, we'll keep you posted on it. How clean the tank is, guys. And the seat. The year of it, I think it's like 2013. This is proper clean. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Triumph Sprint GT 1000cc road bike. Absolutely clean now. I wish we had got a before video of this, but this is the after anyway, so at least see something of it. Yeah, guys, happy days. Thanks for watching. And we'll be back soon with the next bike review. Thanks, guys. Stay tuned. Please like and subscribe. And we'll see you again soon. We're done. Peace. There's a little. See how it runs, guys. Have a little listen.
I bet it goes, doesn't it? I bet it's got some grunt.
It's got initial torque.
Bet that's got some beat.
Yeah, don't get me wrong, it's got the initial twist of the throttle. It's like, oh Christ, yeah, it comes in quick, but then it's short-lived and it's just revvy after that initial bit of torque. It's like a two-stroke, but just without all that, you know, it is torquey, but it revs out really quick. It's only a 3-cylinder, isn't it? Same as like the R1. Oh, mama.
Oh, try it.
What is that? Oh, it's the
That's a little spin for that. We'll come back in a sec, guys. Coming in. Hi guys, right, we're going to quickly show you how to do a filter on a YZ. What is it, 250 issue? Yeah.
Got a ball of shit going in it.
What's this stuff called you're using?
Action fluid.
Action fluid.
Straight alone.
This capsule's turned into half a bottle, Johnny.
I can't remember how much you use.
Yeah, because he never buys it. You buy ourselves, yeah.
Huh?
Ah, you basically use the same bag and do yours, don't you?
This stuff, guys, that he's putting in the air filter. £14 from the MX shop.
Mate, it was enough fucking 3 sloshes ago.
That's it,
Yeah.
there, guys. Look, that's what it turns into.
Yeah, as long as it's all blue, you can't. Let it dry in the sun, like go tacky before you fit it.
Put on top of some man, go here, look at.
Yeah, see straight on his bonnet.
Nice,
That looks alright, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That looks alright.
Better than stinge, isn't it?
Kan att bilen over en bote?
And that sits right down there, guys, in between this little gap here. Just let it sit in the sun. Dry it.
Keep all the dust out, CJ.
Yeah, got to. And that's off for this little puppy.
I'm gonna get a box, put the tools in there, and all the fucking oils and everything. Like. Service man.
New chain next, front sprocket.
Yeah.
60 quid.
40, something like that. 40 quid.
Cheap chain, you can't ride it anyway. You won't stretch that.
Huh? Yeah. Right about the new James.
I'm going to kick him up this week.
You're dangerous, you are, James. You try doing your own tricks. Doing Superman flips up jumps.
Just shows I've got bones. Right through the air.
New tricks.
Yeah, man. It's called the Flying Superman.
Alright, when we're about to fit it back, guys, I will show you that. A little glimpse of his engine. Alright guys, it's going back in. This is pretty much it looks like when more or less done. It could do with a bit more drying really, but for now that's pretty much what it should look like once you've used the Action Lube, is it?
Action Lube.
What's it called?
Action Fluid.
Action Fluid, sorry guys. Yeah, I know, that's
Why
pretty...
you got lube in your mind, G?
Yeah, what's the lube, G?
I don't know. There's a butt plug in this one as well. Look guys, he stuffed it with a butt plug.
That's your missus's.
Thanks. Yeah guys, so yeah, pretty much that's it. That's how it goes. That's the air filter in Action Fluid.
Great blue.
Yeah. But thanks guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. And we'll be back soon with more videos.
You get a cup of coffee to go.
Yeah. So cheers guys. I'll see you soon. Done. Peace.